All right, class, Wednesday, April 15th. We just keep plugging through our math lessons here. And today, whether it's with a number grid or just seeing numbers in order, our objective or our goal is to be able to sequence or put those numbers into correct order, going back to and using the knowledge that you have now with place value, tens and ones, okay? And so for me, using this filled in number chart or number grid, I'll just point you to, let's say, this column here. And as I count down, okay, by tens, okay, I'm counting by tens down, 10 more, and then 10 more, and then 10 more. Okay, you'll notice that the ones place in this column stays the same. Okay, I'm in the 6 column, so I could go 10 more, and on and on and on. Okay, now, if I was to jump into this row right here and move to the right, you'll notice that I'm in the 40 range, and so the first digit, the tens place, does not change, but I'm counting by ones now, and so the ones place is what is changing. Okay, and so this could be one more, and one more, and one more, and one more, okay, and on and on and on. Okay, so when you get to your problem set, okay, you will see kind of a different looking number grid, but the rules stay the same. All right, I can see going down the columns, look, well, actually this, I'm sorry, excuse me, I don't want to confuse you. This is like it's flipped the other way, and so here on this chart, you'll notice that the tens places are the same. That means the ones place is changing. Okay, so 71 blank 73. I'm changing the ones place here. Okay, that would be 72. All right, and then counting on ones by one by one by one. Okay, going this way now on my chart, you can see the tens place is what's changing. So 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, okay, 71, 81, 91, 101, and then 111. You can see the tens place changed there in the middle. Okay, so then as I move on down to this next row, again, I'm counting by tens, changes from a 7 to an 8, to a 9, 92, there's a 10, 102, and then 11, okay, 112. All right, so again, be paying attention, and I'm glad it did this, okay? I'm glad it switched it on us just to challenge us a little bit. And we'll have to know the difference in whether, let me clear these, in whether our number grid is kind of a normal one here, counting by ones going down the row, or by tens up and down, okay? Or on this chart, like your problem set, you're going to count by ones going up and down here, but I can tell that because my tens place digit is not changing. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you need anything. Reach out to me. Have your parents send me a message on Seesaw, email, call me, text me, whatever. Good luck with this lesson.